So my name's Ollie, I'm 15 years old, I live in Sydney and I love playing the drums. That's fun. There was a term in year 7, the teacher showed us how to use Fusion, which is a 3D printing software. That kind of inspired me to get a 3D printer and led me to start a new business. So I feel proud that I'm building something that's all mine because I'm experimenting with my own designs and I'm not just copying other people's designs. So I feel like it's very creative of me.
So Ollie has a condition called Duchenne muscular dystrophy. It's a progressive muscle wasting condition. So what that means is that you know at some point your child is going to stop walking, they're going to stop jumping, they're not going to be able to climb stairs, things are going to get harder and slower. So up until the age of about 11, Ollie was walking, but as I mentioned, with the muscles getting weaker and degrading, it means that you need more equipment to get around. When Ollie was 11, he received his first power wheelchair, and straight away I could tell his independence was about to change. The first thing he said was, "I'm so happy I can keep up with my friends now." He was more confident, he was being included in activities that he wasn't able to participate in before, and that just meant the world to me and to him. It was liberty, it was freedom, it wasn't being left behind. And also from my perspective, it meant that I didn't have to push him manually to places. He could choose where he wanted to go.
Having a power wheelchair gives me freedom and opportunities just to do things independently. I can just use the elevation function. I'm able to open the locker. There's like an extension of my arms and legs, so it helped me like reach things. I can reach things by myself, like out the fridge, for example, like a snack or something. I learned like just compare against yourself. Don't compare yourself to others. I think my story could help with other people's experiences. Just because they're in a wheelchair doesn't mean they can't have fun like everybody else.